guys, BSG here. Today we're back with a brand new video, and today is just a wee vlog of me at the park up in Ballymena in Waterford. It's called Waterford Park, I think it's called, or Waterfowl. It's just a park full of birds and stuff. So here it is, guys. And if you like these vlogs, let me know and I'll keep doing them.
Another big swan. That swan, boys. A wee black flipper on. You'll never see that up close. Oh, I'll smell a wee duck. Let me see. A spider. Mind if that spider was real, boys, I'd head for the hills. You wouldn't see me. If that spider was real, I'd be away. Probably catch me, so that looks like that's why would they stick that in a park? That's freaky. That'd scare a wee kid, so it would. Where's all the ducks? Oh, look at the wee baby ducks. Oh, they're all coming out of the water. Coming out of the water. I was hoping to do a backflip. That would impress me. Look at this wee one. Coming close. Go up this way again. Go up this way. The swallow don't do anything. The swallow don't fly there in the sun. Look, it's the slow one. Yeah. That's the one that's left behind. I'll go up a wee bit, have a look at the rest. It's known as the wiggle. That swan's sunbeam. They're all sunbeam. The swan's just sunbeam. If I was a bird, I'd be a swan just flying sunbeam. I'd be a lazy big long neck, so I do. Oh. What's this here? Birds. Look at the colour of that one over there. If you can see, guys, I want to zoom in. I'm going to zoom in with this. Zoom in. Oh. Oh, there's the zoom in. Yeah, the colour of that here. Looks like a. Oh, there's a black swan. It's a baby swan, I think. Before it turns white. Zoom in that boy. Oh, aye. Look at it. That's so big. They're from where?
South America.
South America. The coast of Oscar swans. I'll let you guys pause it if you want to read it. I think we'll read it out.
Primary feathers, although this
We're not going to read all that
is often barely visible
Let them all read
on the
it.
closed wing.
There, you can pause it if you want to read it. I ain't going to read it. We're moving on. Alright. There's a bear, guys! I'm rolling! There's a bear! That's a wee wooden bear. I wish it was a real bear. I have no wee look at. Let's go have a wee look at these ducks. More ducks. There's more.
No, there's a bird called Nini.
Nini.
I guess.
Well, that's the ones we saw when I zoomed in on.
The brown ones,
That looks pretty sick. Oh, these birds, just this guy. Look at the size of that swan, he's overfed. He's massive.
And more babies.
Oh, but I missed it. I missed him flapping his wings.
I did you?
I thought he was going to take off.
They don't fly.
I know. But it looked like he wants to fly. It's a swan that wants to fly.
There's a sweet baby duck.
He's coming towards us.
Swan.
Well, you get one.
I'll get one for one.
No. We're going to wee ducks over here. Look, this, I can't believe they let these ones out of the cage. I don't know why. Look at this here. Is it right outside? I can stand on one. How do I zoom out here? Yeah, I zoomed out, please, guys. Sorry, I was looking too close. I can just stand there on one. Look, stand on one.
Look at that.
I don't even dare catch one. Oh, look at these ones. They're really sweet. These swans are up.
There's loads of dragon.
Oh, what swan? This is the Polish mute swan. Ah. Do you like swans and birds, guys? My first time here, never saw anything like it in my life. Oh, what have we look at these black ones? Oh, they're my favourite. I think they're my favourite. They're my favourite, I think. They're awesome. Right here. Badass, boys. Dirty dirt. A wee lake. There's thumbs in the road. Clumsy. Jillian, don't you dare. Well done. Struck right in the corner there. More birds. This place is full of birds. Oh. No, they're not. They are barnacle geese. Ah, they are barnacle geese, you're right. You're a barnacle. You're a barnacle geese. Look at this one. Oh, this sassy one. Oh. Strutting up to me like a big. Oh. Hello. Don't jelly. It's going to snap your finger. Look at this one. He's a confident
Do you
bugger.
like unicorn nails and holographic nails?
He's just looking fed.
Come on.
You.
I like she.
You like me? Oh, you like me? Do you? Are you? Are you? Let me pet you. I would be amazed. I'd be amazed if it pet. Oh, it's going away. It's scared. But look at its feathers. Do you know swans mate for life? I think. What's this here? A red breast goose. A red breast goose. You can pause it, guys. You might read it. Bird. Oh, look at this here. This looks very. They're coming over. Not shy. Not shy at all. Don't know why I'm doing bird noise. Why have they got a picture of penguins? They're penguins, isn't it?
It is just a black swan.
Oh, is it?
You're not the baby one.
Black swan. My favourite. I like black swans, they're my favourite. That's probably my favourite bird I saw today, black swan. Just sitting there casually on the road. I'll step on one of these. What's in here? No? Don't. Something in there. Oh, there's baby ones in there. Who's that? It's a rabbit. It's rabbits. Over here. Johnny, don't be. It's sleeping. This simpleton. Lock her in there like a rabbit. Johnny, don't be so simple. You have a poor wee rabbit. Oh. Well, it doesn't want to touch me, so leave it alone. Not to torture rabbits, anyway. It's for the rabbit. Chilling in the sun, you're in torturing it. Torturing it. You have to go down your knees. Get down your knees. Good at that, guys. Oh, big boulders. Oh. That's going straight on my YouTube channel. I was going to see your big arse. I'm not. I was going to see your big arse. And I was like,
This is the fairies village.
oh, fairies.
Look! What are we cottages?
The birds, the cottages, and the birds and the cottages. Yay. Yay, guys.
Go look, put your big hands over.
I'm not putting my big hand.
Yeah. Look, get the actual picture. The fairy cottages.
See the fairy cottages again. It's such a big deal. Is that a turkey? A turkey? What's that big orange thing? A big orange thing? big orange thing standing on the thing. What's that?
That's their pheasants.
Right.
I killed one of them. They're actually nice to eat.
You're cruel. Killing pheasants. He's a murderer.
Pheasants.
Murderer!
Pheasants is a bird
Murderer.
that will commit suicide. Two animals on the earth that will commit suicide. Pheasants and horses.
You,
No.
hopefully. Torching that poor rabbit. Did you shut that door right?
Yeah.
Look at the wee fairy
That's cute, yeah.
That's too cute for me.
Oh.
It's not. Oh, what's this? Parrots? That's a wee. Can you see that, guys? It's a wee yellow bird. Oh, she's kicking me. I'm going to have to wrap this video up because I only have there's hens over there.
Oh, look at the wee fluffy one.
I see nothing.
Okay.
I see them, guys. I can't really show you them, but they're through the fence somewhere. These wee birds. Wee birds! I only had to sit in the throne. Aye. Guys, we're sitting on the throne. Look at this. Look at this. King Brian on the throne. Hold my phone. Get the work. Oi, who's your phone?
No.
Get me my shoes. Get the kitchen.
Not a mission, I just got you dinner. There.
King Brian, guys, King Brian. There's no queen, there only is king. Never saw him for the hand. What's that sweet shade? Exploring, guys. Explore.
Okay.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Look. This is... You just pushed it. You pushed it off. Oh, look at the colour of this one. It's gold. Golden bird, guys. Bastion's golden bird. I know it. I can see it. Just can't get a good camera shot. Hiding on me.
The golden pheasant.
Golden. It's golden, guys. Got a big tits around it.
Sorry.
We're joking.
There's an egg, one side an egg. Not top
I
one.
see it. What's it called? It's called a golden pheasant.
What's it?
That was from China. Look. Our golden pheasant. From China. Good shit. Reminds me of Year of the Rooster in Overwatch. Holy, it's massive, guys. It looks like a skunk. I can see it sort of. See it, guys, it's massive. I only have to eat. That's it for our wee mini adventure, guys. It's bye from me.
Bye from me.
And remember, guys, we're here for a good time, not a long time. See yous.